Hello, welcome to G's Kitchen. Today we are going to see a breakfast recipe. You can use it for dinner as well. Green gram dosa, or in Andhra they call it Pesarattu. Come, let's see how to make it. So here for the Pesarattu or green Moong Dal Dosa, I have soaked 1 cup of green gram dal or green Moong Dal and half a cup of idli rice. For the idli batter, it is idli or dosa batter. It's normally we take 1 cup of urad dal for 2 cups of rice. But here I have taken 1 cup of green gram dal for half a cup of idli rice. So this one I have soaked now for 3 to 4 hours. I am going to grind this into a paste. Into that I am going to add around 1 inch of sliced ginger, some coriander leaves and some green chilies. Green chilies always to your taste. So this 3 gives a nice flavor to the dosa. So now I am going to add this in the blender and I am going to grind this into a paste. I am going to divide it into 2 portions. First I am going to add in all the ingredients together and grind it, and then we will proceed with the next batch. So I have added 2 handful of green gram dal and soaked rice. In goes the ginger, coriander leaves, and here I have taken around 7 green chilies. Green chilies always to your taste. And we are going to add in little bit of water and grind this into a paste. Now you can see the first batch is grinded into a paste like this. Now we can add in the rest of the moong dal and rice soaked. You can also use the broken green gram dal, which is yellow in color, but it won't give the green color. Also this is more healthier than that, so why not we make it a healthier breakfast. This is a very special and very famous recipe of Andhra, and they always make sure that this is very spicy. They make it with so many other differences in this. So now I am adding more water and I am going to grind this into a paste. The batter consistency should be of dosa consistency. I have washed the blender cup and I have added that water in as well. Just give it a mix. And the best part of this recipe is we don't need any fermentation process for this dosa. We can straight away make the dosas. I'm going to leave this to sit for about 10 to 15 minutes until we make the chutney for this recipe. So today I'm going to make a ginger chutney as a combination for this dosa. It goes very well with this recipe. Come, let's see how to make the chutney. Into a pan, I have added around 2 tablespoons of oil, and into it I am adding little bit of urad dal and little bit of gram dal. This is altogether is around half a tablespoon. Don't add too much. The taste of the ginger should be dominant in this chutney. And this chutney is made a bit spicy. Add in around 15 to 20 dried red chilies. And now add in a handful of ginger. This is about 3 to 4 inches of ginger, roughly chopped. Once the ginger is cooked well, switch off the flame and transfer this into a small blender cup. Into this, I have soaked some tamarind, around 4 to 5 pieces. I'm going to add that in as well. And finally, in goes some jaggery powder to balance the taste. Now add a little bit of water and grind this into a smooth paste. Once the chutney is done, I have added a little bit more oil into the same pan and I'm going to add some mustard seeds into cracker. And I'm going to transfer the chutney into this. I have added salt when I grinded. You can see the texture, and now the tasty ginger chutney is ready. Now let's make the dosa. I have kept the dosa pan in the stove. When it's heated up, just sprinkle some water to see. Now the dosa pan is ready. Keep the heat on medium-high. Take a ladle full of batter and pour it. If you want the dosa to be crispy, then add more water to your batter. After a second, add little bit of oil. You cannot preserve this batter like the normal dosa batter for weeks. You can only keep it for one day if you keep it in the fridge. If you make it the before day night, you can have it the next day morning as well. That's it. Now you can see the color is changing. Add a drop of oil. After a minute, dosa is ready. We can take it out. Just clean the pan with a tissue. Sprinkle some water to reduce the heat, and I have diluted with little bit of water. Now let's make the next dosa. After a second, sprinkle a little bit of oil. You can make varieties by adding onions, or if you have idli podi, you can add that as well. Now the dosa is ready. Tasty and healthy pesarattu and ginger chutney is ready. Make this at home and enjoy with your family and friends. Let me meet you with another interesting recipe. Thank you.